KMTV, welcome to our crib. Want to tell them where we're headed, Miss Katie Mac?
We are headed to 23rd Avenue. Can you shut up?
I forget where I was going with this, but we're going to Northwest 23rd. We're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna go thrifting, shopping, the whole shebang.
My dad helped build that building.
The one that's like an eye.
Do you want to know something weird? Yeah. There has not been like one thing that has reminded me of home. Like it's that different. Maybe the signs. Good job.
Wait, this is kind of good. That took some serious concentration, a little good bit of coaching from Katie Mac, and we're back.
Did you forget we have to pay?
I saw one car with like 5 That's kind of a lot. We're on 23rd now. This is the place, Crossroads. We're gonna go in. Darling, that's really cute. This place has some really awesome stuff. The bathroom here. I have to pee so bad. She has to pee. I feel like as her mom, I should find her a bathroom, but I'm just gonna let her fend for her own on this. Fend for her own, fend for herself.
You're such a weirdo. Don't you already have those?
Different though.
I think you have those.
Boys' clothes, because that's how you find all the cute shirts, right?
The best t-shirts yet. Wow, you're learning like from me. I'm so impressed.
This looks like something Katie could just pull off.
Oh wait, how much is $12.50? That's like way too much.
But you could like, think about it. You could
think about that is so expensive.
See, I don't go thrifting that much, so Katie actually knows what's a good deal and what's not.
That can't be. Detroit.
Detroit? I think we need to go to Goodwill to find the t-shirts like that.
Yeah, because you get $1 t-shirts at Goodwill.
I think this is too posh. But like, I think the girl stuff's cute, so I'm gonna like keep.
Oh, it's like the dog in Up when it's like squirrel.
They're so cool.
They're kind of cool looking. Wow.
But they're not my size.
Okay, those are actually really cute.
I have like the jeans already that look just like them.
Yeah, you don't need those. I'm gonna send you to rehab for having a clothing buying addiction.
There's a movie about that.
Do you have a few words to say on Kiara's shopping addiction?
Well, I think she needs serious help. It honestly blows my mind how she's not poor. Everything looks good on her, so that's why it makes sense. So much.
You just bought a skirt.
Have you seen this right here? She has it.
I think I have it in short version.
Guess how much money?
We've been guessing everything that Keegan's saying.
$17.22.
Okay, I'm gonna do $15.90.
28.
And I thought that forever could never fall apart.
Guys, this was on my dough and now it's in real life. Follow Keegan and I on dough.
Oh my god, but look at this. This is so cute.
Look, Keegan, that would look so good in your hair.
I like this in blue.
Oh, yeah. Look at her eyes.
I want this.
Look at this.
Yeah. Oh my god.
They have a maroon jean jacket. Guys, this Urban Outfitters home section is actually just life. Like, look how much stuff they have. Keegan's shopping for bedding right now. Future Kiara, I'm just filming this for you so you can observe the interior design. Keegan and I really like these little poof things. Oh my god, I actually might cry. Oh my god, I want a kid so bad. Keegan's face.
Oh my god.
This is not real life.
But it's knocking me down and it's keeping me up all night without any mercy. This time you come to me, and I thought that forever could never fall apart.
Going to Tender Loving Empire. This place is the cutest store ever.
I keep breaking my own heart. I keep breaking my own heart. I keep breaking my own heart. I keep breaking my own heart.
We're eating lunch here at Elephants. Keegan got a little salad thing. Hey guys, so we made a spontaneous decision.
Going to the Rose Garden.
It's really pretty.
It's so cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna show Keegan around. I don't think I've been here since I was really little, so I'm really excited to see what this is all about.
Like flowers and happiness. Phone's on 10%.
Hey guys, we're at the Rose Garden right now, learning our facts.
Learning all sorts of rose facts.
Education.
Education.
It's so nice. So cool. It smells so good. And the ladies are running from the bees. That's the truth.
If it comes near me, I'm gonna die.
I'm
master getting her shots. Wow, look at that. So specific, so particular.
Keegan is the best photographer. We just got a bunch of cute ones. I love walking pics.
Guys, this is so cute here. Kiara's going full photog on us and trying to get all the shots. Guys, I want to get married here.
Oh yeah, that'd be so cool. That's what I think they're setting up for. There's an event. Oh, it's Northwest Natural.
What is that?
I don't know, like the gas company.
That seems fitting that there's a gas company event in the Rose Garden.
Okay, so we haven't vlogged in a really long time, but we're basically going to Katie's because we needed to give her the footage that's on this camera. And we're driving to her house right now, and look how beautiful the lighting is. So we're gonna continue driving to her house, but just thought I would share that with you guys because I think it's so pretty. And I want to see if we can get the moon on here because it is huge.
It's ginormous. It's like a giant bright tortilla.
Yeah. That's literally what Keegan said. It was a bright tortilla, and I'm like, boy, it actually does look like a tortilla. If we see it, we'll show you guys. It's stunning. That's the moon. I know, it really doesn't do it justice.
All right, we've arrived at Katie's.
Hi! Whoa, it's a party! What's up? You're on the vlog! Instagram it! Wait, I gotta focus on it. Oh my god, go follow him. Boom! Look at that!